So hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So YouTube has a feature called quizzes. Let me show you. So you can go to your video description setting, then here you can see you can add quiz to your video. So it directly goes in the description, so you can add your answer, you can explanation, so it directly goes in the description, so you can check out there. So this is technically not working in my channel. I'm not sure why it's not popping. I mean, it's not goes in the description directly. I'm not sure. So you can say I have this quiz in my video. You can see quiz at almost 1 minute in video. So I'm not sure how they work, how they works. Okay, that's all in this video.